Now that we've successfully shown you how to package something smaller, lighter, and fragile, like the vase, let's move over to something a little different. This is going to be a lot heavier and electronic and very valuable. Let's package it. Step 1 remains the same, making sure your polyfilm is all the way down to the cardboard box with no air pockets. Next is the foam. Fold the poly. Insert your controller. Next step is to put the top layer. Once you've found your top layer of poly, repeat the same process. Now your package is ready to be taped. Complete.